Hello and welcome to 3 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. You are watching the Coin Monitor. Virtual digital assets or VDA markets rebounded on Thursday amid improved sentiment on progress in debt ceiling negotiations in the United States. Bitcoin reclaimed the crucial $27,000 levels. IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading up by 1% at 37,850 points. Interestingly, better than expected first quarter earnings season as well as hints from the Federal Reserve that it has paused its rate hiking cycle after inflation fell to a 2-year low last month have created positive momentum in the market. In other news, initial jobless claims data, which measures the number of people who filed for unemployment insurance for the first time during the past week, is also scheduled later in the day. However, market participants anticipate the jobless data to come around 254,000 versus previous data release of 264,000. Elsewhere, an Indian crypto exchange and a policy firm have separately asked the government to let crypto firms access the National Unified Payments Interface after it was ostensibly suspended in 2022. Meanwhile, Tether, the issuer of the $82 billion USDT stablecoin, reported $1.48 billion of net profits in 2023 Q1 and revealed $1.5 billion in BTC holdings. The company has decided to buy Bitcoin for stablecoin reserve using profit. Another stablecoin issuer, Circle, has ditched treasury bills that mature beyond May 31st, rotating assets to cash and overnight repurchase agreements instead. The move underlines the fears of US government default. Litecoin has gained over 20% since May 8, when Bitcoin transaction costs reached a high of $30 per transaction. The rise in Bitcoin fees has also pushed Litecoin transactions to an all-time high as investors sought a less expensive alternative. The rise in the price of Litecoin is an example of how a profusion of so-called meme coins on the Bitcoin blockchain has rippled through the crypto asset sector in recent weeks. As per recent data, Bitcoin Frogs, a Bitcoin NFT series, overtook Bored Ape Yacht Club as the highest grossing NFT series in the past 24 hours transaction volume. The Pepe Coin-themed NFT series generated more than $2 million in transaction volume with around 700 transactions. US stock futures were trading flat as Wall Street hoped that the debt ceiling crisis would soon see a resolution. Dow Jones Industrial Average futures rose 15 points. Futures linked to the S&P 500 and Nasdaq 100 were also up slightly. Bitcoin was trading at $27,377, up 1.7%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was up by 1%, trading at $1,826. On My Life, BNB was up by 1% to trade at $313. Solana Sol was up 0.7% and was trading at $20.8. Cardano's ADA token was also up by 3% to trade at $0.37. Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.45, up by 3.6%. Financial technology firm Ripple has made a strategic move by acquiring Swiss-based crypto custody firm Metaverse. The acquisition aims to provide Ripple with expanded exposure to regulatory environments outside of the United States and enable the company to offer a broader range of crypto products and services. Avalanche AVAX was trading at $15.1, higher 1.3%. Next on the list, Polygon Matic was trading up by 2.3% to trade at $0.87. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading up by 0.8% at $0.074. Shiba Inu was trading up by 0.9%. Polkadot was also up by 2.5% to trade at $5.4. Uniswap, a leading decentralized exchange platform, is set to launch on Polkadot's Moonbeam parachain with integrations facilitated by its decentralized governance framework. The recent focus on Uniswap is on addressing the new platform's initial liquidity issues. The new integration would enhance the speed and security for Uniswap users, analysts believe. And now let's move on to a technical expert.
Bitcoin has successfully broken the downtrend line, and there are indications that it may follow the uptrend line in the upcoming week. As expected, price is moving in the range and we may see a breakout on either side very soon.
Well, that's all in the Coin Monitor. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. For more such updates on markets, please log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. Airstack, a Web3 developer platform, closed the second part of a pre-seed fundraising round that was headed by Superscript, bringing in over $7 million total. The firm makes it possible for programmers to access and use cross-chain data using natural language requests supported by artificial intelligence, a controversial but growing popular technology in the cryptocurrency industry. Since its launch in April, Airstack has attracted more than 200 developers who have successfully used the platform for projects ranging from marketing engines to decentralized social and messaging applications, portfolio optimizers for decentralized finance, tools for customer resource management, and marketing platforms. In the third quarter of 2022, the first half of the funding cycle came to an end, with Polygon among the backers. Emergent, NGC, Primal Capital, UOB Ventures, and Signum Capital, among others, also were investors. Failed crypto lender Voyager Digital could start liquidating on Friday, aiming to begin returning cash and crypto to customers by June 1. A bankruptcy court judge approved Voyager's liquidation procedures during a hearing on Wednesday, 10 months after Voyager filed for bankruptcy protection in the U.S. Bankruptcy Court for the Southern District of New York. Customers are expected to initially recover nearly 36% of their claim amounts, according to Voyager, although that percentage could eventually increase depending on the success of a claim dispute between Voyager and failed crypto behemoth FTX. Voyager customers can receive their recoveries in cash-supported coins or via USDC for unsupported coins and Voyager's VGX token. DYDX, the decentralized platform known for its perpetuals contract, is now discussing the creation of more sub-DAOs to make management of the ecosystem even more decentralized. A post from Fox Labs Digital, an Australian-based marketing agency, suggested divvying up oversight responsibilities to several smaller decentralized autonomous organizations. The discussion of going beyond the current sub-DAOs, one for DYDX's grant program and the other for its operational activities, comes as the DYDX community is preparing to upgrade on the Cosmos blockchain to its fourth version. The goal is to make DYDX a fully decentralized version of the protocol, according to a blog post. Moreover, according to a different governance post by the DYDX Foundation, an independent, not-for-profit organization aimed at fostering decentralized governance, the Operation Sub-DAO is set to expire on June 19. With the imminent launch of V4 and the expiration of its Operation Sub-DAO, the DYDX ecosystem is approaching a critical juncture, the foundation said.
We will keep you connected to the evolving world of NFTs.
For accurate and latest updates of cryptocurrency markets and global regulations.
Metaverse and Web3.
3.0 TV covers the latest crypto crimes.
Keeps you updated about the global crypto events and exhibitions.